Today we're going to make our pumpkin scones with our homemade pumpkin spice recipe. We'll take a medium bowl and pour our flour, our sugar, our baking powder, our pumpkin spice, and our salt, and whisk this together. Now we'll add in our cubed butter into the mix and break it down with a pastry cutter. Crisp. And whisk together our pumpkin and our 2 eggs. And we'll whisk it together until you see a smooth consistency. And now we'll add our wet mixture into our dry mixture and stir it with a rubber spatula until the dough comes together. Alright, and now we'll start patting our dough into its shape. And if you start to see little breaks in your dough, just pinch it together and pat it down. Now you'll take a knife and flour and cut your 2 doughs into 6 wedges. While we wait for our scones to bake, we'll make our glaze.